Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to control someone's screen on your iPhone iOS 18. So first things first, both of you need to have iPhone iOS 18. And then once you are on the FaceTime with them, what you want to do is you want to tap on this share option. Okay? And then just hit on the ask to share button to request the other person to share their screen. And then what's going to happen is an alert will actually appear on their screen. You just want to request that person to tap on the share button, okay, in the share your screen prompt. And they'll see a 3, 2, 1 countdown as soon as they do so. And the screen sharing will basically begin, okay? And of course, you will not see them anymore as screen sharing basically turns off the camera. However, both of you can listen to each other. You can just ask them to go to the home screen from the FaceTime app on their iPhone, and their iPhone will now display their iPhone screen. You can just tap on the screen sharing screen. Okay, tap on this one to expand it and reveal the controls. Okay, you may move their video screen to the side to basically hide it. All right, and then you can now select the remote control icon in the bottom right corner. And the recipient will get a prompt that you want to take control of their iPhone. Just ask them to tap allow and then continue. Okay, really that easy and simple, guys. So I hope this guide provided value to you, and if it did, consider smashing that like button as well as subscribing to frequently asked questions, and I'll see you guys in the next one.